What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I got an exciting pickup. This pickup today is about to be my most expensive gun, and I got my little rider with me. You want to say hi? Say hi.
Hi.
My daughter back there riding with me. And before we get this video started, I want to give a special thanks and a shout out to Mr. 556 Gang for being my 700th subscriber, and just want to let y'all know that I appreciate each and every one of y'all. So I'll see y'all when we get there.
Yeah.
What's the name of that nightclub of yours again?
You talking about the Boom Boom Room?
Yeah, the Boom Boom Room. That's it.
Alright, we finally made it. We up at my FFL. I'm about to run up in here. I don't know if they'll let me film in here or not. So, you want to say hi? Them want to say hi. She got on her sunglasses. She wants y'all to see her with her sunglasses on. So, we're going to run up in here and get this gun. Now, I'll see y'all when we get home. After watching Final Destination, I got swiftly from behind that truck. Damn all that. Alright guys, we back. Today, what I picked up today, this one of them ones. This one of them ones that I've been looking for. They've been out of stock for as long as I've been looking for them. Been like 2 years. I've been having this gun on my wish list for like 2 years, and they've been out of stock. So some of y'all might already know if y'all been following your wish list, or even just trying to get this gun. But I finally got it home today. And for my interest in this gun came from my wife, because she's the first person who, well, at least put the gun on my radar. So this gun wasn't on my radar at all. Back when she first started talking about it, is around the time where I wanted the AR-10. So that's when I got the SFAR. And so she kept talking about it. So I said, let me look into this gun. So I was like, all right, cool. I might one day eventually jump out there and get this gun. So I put a bunch of different ones on my wish list, and they was all out of stock at the time. So anyway, I'm not going to hold the suspense much longer. If y'all know what box this is, if you know, you know. Y'all about to open it with me for the first time, and I'm excited. So let's do this. It's like when you hear that music, that holy music. Anyway, here we go. So I like the presentation. I liked it to come in a hard case. This is my Daniel Defense PDW. I finally got me one. So here you go. It comes with your normal package of supplies. You got a separate recoil spring that this is buffer spring that is for when you shoot and suppress. So this is Chamberlain 300 blackout, and yeah. So I like that this gun gives you the quality check date. It was checked on April the 2nd. It has the person's initials who checked it. That's pretty cool. I don't think I've ever seen that. Let's see. Nothing to see here. Alright, so you got your standard Daniel Defense rubber pistol grip. I really like these grips. I actually put one on my SFAR. I think, I don't know, they might not be for everybody, but I like them. It also comes with a forward hand stop, so your hand won't slide in front of the muzzle while you're shooting. Because this is a very short gun, and for those who don't know, this gun is considered a pistol. So it's not an SBR, it's not a rifle, it's considered as a pistol. It has a forward blast diverter that's to direct the sound forward. You got your brace. Let's see if I can't do it. Slide it back. It's a level on the side here. You got to push this button down, and then you can adjust your brace. Can't really do it with one hand, but that's that. This gun is also ambidextrous, so you got your safety on both sides. Here it is on that side. Here's your mag release button. Then you got your forward eject. And this gun is clear. It still got the safety tab on the inside. And no mag in. So yeah, I like the branding on the front handguard. And this gun has a 1 in 7 twist rate. I don't think I'm gonna change too much as far as appearance on this gun. For right now, it also comes with a ambidextrous charging handle, and it got your Gang Defense logo on the charging handle. So, excuse the chickens over there, but for right now, I'm gonna put on some iron sights, some flip up iron sights. I got some fiber optic iron sights that I'm gonna throw on here, just some cheap ones. And I think I'm gonna take off my the optic that I put on my 22 until I get what I want on this gun. I'm leaning towards the Huey optic. So that optic costs a pretty little penny. So it'll probably be a minute before I get that. And what else? I think I'm gonna put me a Warrior Poet brace strap on here, cause I like how they look on my guns. So I'm gonna get that all set up, and then I'll be back. All right, guys, this is what it's looking like so far. I got my iron sights on. I got my Strike 5 Vortex. Hold on. All right. Hopefully y'all can see that. Let me see if I can. Yeah. This ain't doing too good of a job. It's a green dot, y'all. Take my word for it. But here's the fiber optic sights co-witness. I put on my Warrior Poet, fixed the split brace strap on there. And the only thing I gotta do now is just put my light on. And it's getting kind of late and I'm getting tired. I gotta switch my mounts so that I can mount it, the M-lock. And got the green laser joint. So I took this off my M&P AR-15, and since I don't too much care for that gun, is going on here. And I'm gonna mount this on the side like that. So that's what the final product look like until I upgrade my optic. So let me know what you think in the comments. I like it. Hopefully y'all like it too. So thank y'all for checking out the video. Now I'll catch y'all on the next one. Hopefully the next one is when we taking it out to shoot. See y'all on the next one.